Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch anything and then erase it from your search or watch history on Netflix. So deleting your search history is different from your viewing history, but it's essential for a clean, private Netflix experience. So if you want to hide those late night binge or just need to clear the irrelevant searches, this is how you can do it. So unfortunately, Netflix doesn't have a direct way to delete search history. So what you need to do here, you can just clear the search cache by signing out or in or using the Netflix delete Netflix history feature. So you can just open Netflix on browser like this, whether it's on PC or mobile, and once you're in this page, you can just click on manage profiles and choose which profile that you want to delete its watch history. Let's say this one. You can just scroll down until you see the viewing activity, and I think let's just go back, not this one. I've already deleted that one. Okay, this one for example. So again, go to the viewing activity, and here if you want to only delete one, you can click on this one, but if you want to delete all, you can scroll down and here click on hide all and click on yes, hide all my viewing activity, and just like that your watch history and also search history will be reset. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.